Tonight's video is on reaction rate factors. This is part of your recovery assignment. I'd be happy to answer any additional questions. This is a quick review of the different reaction rate factors. First part, there are 4 reaction rate factors. There is concentration, temperature, catalyst, and surface area. Concentration tells us how much is present. All right? In order for a chemical reaction to occur, collisions have to take place. If the chemicals that you want to react don't come in contact with each other, they're not going to react. So the more of those chemicals that are present, the more frequent collisions are going to happen, and the more likely you are to have a reaction take place. Think of this as 2 bumper cars on a football field. If you blindfold the drivers and have them try to crash into each other, there's a lot of space that they could miss each other. Now, if you were to do the same activity with 1,000 bumper cars on that football field, it'd be a lot harder to miss running into somebody. All right, remember, collisions have to occur for a reaction to take place. So the more concentrated, the more likely you are to have a reaction, the faster the reaction will be. The next part is a catalyst. Catalysts are chemicals that you add to a chemical reaction. They're not used in the reaction, and they are specific to that reaction. So, for example, manganese dioxide is specific to the decomposition of hydrogen peroxide. You add it, it speeds up the reaction. If you add manganese dioxide to any other chemical reaction that you want to speed up, it's not going to do anything like it does for hydrogen peroxide. So, catalysts are specific to the reaction and speed it up. They are not used, though. You can reuse the catalyst for an additional reaction. We're going to use that more in this chapter here as we talk about digestion. Temperature. We talked about temperature today. This is going to change the speed at which the molecules move. So the higher the temperature, the faster the molecules, the more collisions. The lower the temperature, the slower the molecules, the fewer collisions you're going to have. Our last reaction rate factor is that of surface area. And this is the exposed portion of a sample. So if I take, for example, this cube here, the only exposed surface is on the outside. All right, in order for a chemical reaction to take place, again, remember you have to have collisions. So the chemicals can't collide with the inside of that sugar cube. They have to start on the outside and work their way in. Whereas if you have something that is like a powder or crushed into really small pieces, there's more surface area, so there's more places for a reaction to take place. And that's going to speed up your reaction. These are my 4 reaction rate factors. You're going to need them for the essay that you're writing tonight.